Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for May 2nd of 2025 is titled Young Star Cluster NGC 346. So what do we see here? Well, here I've adjusted the image a little bit, so we'll see the star cluster there on the left-hand side, and that is a group of young stars that is in the process of formation. Now, the young star cluster means that some of these stars are not even full-fledged stars yet. In order to become a star, it must become hot enough in the core, about 10 million degrees, in order for hydrogen to be able to be fused into helium. Until that happens, we tend to call the star a protostar. It's a star in the process of formation. Now, we see them here because we are looking through a lot of the dust around this because we are looking at infrared wavelengths. This is an image from the James Webb Space Telescope, and looking in the infrared we can see that cluster there. Now, those stars are still extremely energetic, putting out a lot of energy as they've formed. And as they do, they sculpt away the regions around it. So all of that gas and dust around them is affected by the energy of those stars. So their strong stellar winds and their radiation pressure will push away a lot of that material, leaving only the densest clumps behind. So those dense clumps, that's where stars are still forming. So the star formation process does not happen all at once. Even within a star forming region like this, it will start on one edge of the region generally, and then work its way through. Because those stars, as they compress areas, will enhance more star formation. As they push material together, as some of those stars become supernovae, they will push material away and push it together further away, and then allow that to form into new groupings of stars. Now, this is a region of a couple hundred light years across and is not even located within our galaxy. This is actually a part of the Small Magellanic Cloud, one of the satellite galaxies of our own Milky Way. So the Small Magellanic Cloud orbits around our Milky Way, much as Earth orbits around the Sun, and our Sun orbits around the center of our Milky Way in it as well. So we see that distant galaxy as we look at it here, or just a portion of that galaxy, I should say, where we see a large star-forming region, in fact, one of the largest star-forming regions within the Small Magellanic Cloud. So, again, we're studying a lot of different star-forming regions, trying to get a complete handle on how the process works and to be able to better understand that. The more star-forming regions like this we can study, and that we can study in the infrared that allows us to actually see through the dust and get pictures of the stars as they are still in the process of formation, helps our understanding of this process. So that was our picture of the day for May 2nd of 2025. It was titled Young Star Cluster NGC 346. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Titan's Shangri-La. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.